Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will explain you about page layouts, its features and editing process of page layout in Salesforce. So let's jump to the topic and discuss about page layout in Salesforce. In Salesforce, page layout permits the user to personalize the design and arrange detail and edit the page of records in Salesforce. In simple words, the page layout controls the detail and edit page of records. The page layout can be used to control the presence of the related list, custom links, and fields on the standard and custom objects of detail and added page. The page layout can also control which custom and standard button will be shown on the related list and the detail pages. The user can add or remove set as required and read only the page layout. A single page layout can be assigned to the multiple profiles. There is a tool called page layout editor that is also known as a page layout. From this we can personalize the page content like the field and buttons that shown on the page. In the page layout editor, on the left side, there is a list of features and on the right side, there are instances of these features that can be used in the page layouts. Now move ahead and discuss the features of the page layouts. The following are the features of the page layout. The first feature is the fields. We can control the arrangement of the fields by using the page layout. We can add or remove the fields from the added page or the detail page. The next one is buttons. We can add the standard or custom buttons on the edit or detail page. Next one is custom links. We can add the custom links to each record detail pages. Next is quick actions. This feature is used to add or remove the quick actions from the classic version. Next one is mobile and lightning actions. This feature is used to add or remove the quick action from the mobile and lightning experiences. Next is extended lookups. It is used to control the fields that will be shown on the mobile cards. Next is related list. We can control which list can be shown in the related list section of an object using the page layouts. Last one is report charts. This method is used to edit the report chart on the record page according to record ID. Now move forward and discuss about how to edit the page layout in Salesforce Lightning. For this, we firstly move to our Lightning org. This is my Salesforce Lightning org. For editing the page layout, click on the gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on that, and under this gear icon, there are two options. First one is setup and the another one is service setup. Click on the setup option. Our setup page is open, and under this setup page we can see that two tabs are present. First one is the home tab and the another one is object manager tab. Click on the object manager tab. Our object manager page is open, and under this object manager page lots of objects are present, but we want to select the account object that is used for the event. So click on the account object. Our account page is open, and under this account page on the left side there is a detail section, and under this detail section the page layout option is present. So click on this page layout option. The page layout is open, and under this page layout page the page layout name is present, that is account layout. Click on this account layout. The account layout page is open. I go down over here where fields are present. This is the field section. I can do that just by dragging and drop the fields. And here we are creating the multiple section also. So we want to create the new section. Click on the section field and drag it and drop under the fields option. Our section property dialog box is open. Now we can give the section name as a bank related information. Enter the bank related information in the field, and after that now edit the section properties. This is the section should be available on the detail page and the edit page, both of them. Then in that case check both of them, otherwise deselect which you do not want. And there is a layout section also. In this there is a one column or the two column option. Two column basically means the fields on the left side as well as on the right side, and one column means the field on a single row only. And there is a tab key order section. When we submit a form, we press the tab to go to the next field, whether it should be go left to right and top to bottom. You can select left to right option or the top to bottom option. It's your choice and click on the OK button. And you can see that our bank related information section is created. Now we can add the fields in this section. So I dragging the account number. Now choose the account number from the above field and drag and drop it into bank related section, and after that added the credit card number. Now see where is the credit card number. This is the credit card number field. Now drop it into the bank related information, and after that we are choosing the national insurance number. Drag and drop it into the bank related information, and after that we are choosing the credit card expiry date, and this is our credit card expiry date field, and drop it into the bank related information. If we want to create one more section, again click on the section field and drop it under the bank related information section, giving the section name as a rating related information, and click on the OK button. Our rating related information section is created. Now I am adding the fields to this rating related information, and I want to drag the rating field and drag it and drop it into the rating related information, and also add the total number of rating fields. So drag it and drop it into the rating related information field. By the way, it is not compulsory to put all the fields. I can also remove some of the field which we not want. The fields are set up accordingly to us, and then click on the save button. Now again go to the account object by simply clicking on the app launcher and enter the accounts in the search box and click on the accounts object. Our account page is open, and under this page we can see the different records are present. Click on the one of the record, and here we are clicking this record. Our record page is open. Now click on the details. Now scroll to the bottom of the page, and under this we can see that the section which we are created using the page layout is shown here. The both of the section bank related information and the rating related information, we can assign different page layout to the different users. Now move forward and discuss about how to edit page layouts in Salesforce Classic. So moving to our Classic version, click on the profile picture, and under this profile picture there is an option switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on this option. Our Salesforce Classic version is open, and under this page we can see that there is a username. Click on the drop down arrow of the username, and under this drop down list we can see that there is a setup option. Click on the setup option. Now enter the accounts in the quick find box and scroll to the bottom of the page. Under the account object we can see that the page layout option is present. Click on this page layout. The account page layout page is open, and under this page layout page, the page layout name is present, that is the account layout. Click on this account layout option, click on the edit button. The account layout page is open. I go down over here, and if I want to rearrange the fields, I can do that just by dragging and dropping. And here we want to create the multiple section. So I create the new section. So for creating the new section, click on the section field and drag and drop it under the fields section. Our section property dialog box is open. Now enter the section name, and here we are entering the section name as bank related information. Enter the bank related information, and after that added the section property. This is the section property. The section should be available on the detail page and the edit page, both of them. Then in that case check both of them, otherwise deselect which you do not want. And there is a layout section also. In this there is a one column and two column option. The two column basically means the field on the left hand side as well as the right hand side, and one column means there will be a one field on a single row. And there is a tab key order section also. When we submit a form, we press the tab to go to the next field, whether it should go left to right in the Z way and right to top in the N way, and click on the OK button. And you can see that our bank related information section is created. Now we can add the fields in this section are created that we are created. Now dragging and dropping the fields inside this bank related information. Firstly, we want to edit the account number, dragging and drop it into the bank related information. And after that, we are going to edit the credit card number, drag and drop into the bank related information. And then we want to add the national insurance number, drag and drop into the bank related information. Now drag and drop the credit card expiry date and time. And we want to again create new section for the rating information. So we click on the section option, drag and drop it under the bank related information section, and now give the name as a rating related information and click on the OK button. Our rating related information section is created successfully. Now we want to add the rated related information fields. So we have add the rating field and drop it into the rating related information, and we want to also add the total number of rating field. So drag and drop it into the rating related information. So click on the save button. Now again go to the accounts object. Click on the account object. That account object is present on the name bar. Click on that. Now our account record page is open. Now you can see that lots of records are present. Click one of the record, and here we want to click this record. Our record page is open. Now scroll to the bottom of the page, and here you can see that the section we are creating are shown under this detail page. The first section is a bank related information section, and the other is the rating related information section. Both sections are shown under the detail page of this record. We can create as many page layout we want, and we can assign different page layout to the different users. So with this, we have come to the end of the video session. We will see you in the next video.